Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line, specifically fractions. We are working with a problem related to TEKS 3.3e and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a fruit basket. We've got 8 apples, and it's going to be shared equally between 4 children, and we need to find a fraction that represents how many apples each child will receive. All right, so this would be a drag and drop to where we just take our numbers and drag them into those two different spots. All right, so let's talk about those two different spots because they're going to need a different number. So the top spot is called our numerator. And what that's going to be is the number of apples, but notice what's asking each child. Number of apples per child. So how many apples does each child receive? Now, the bottom number is called the denominator, and that's a little bit easier. That's always going to be the total. So how many total apples do we have? Well, we can figure that out right now. We got 8 apples. It tells it to us and visually we can see. So let's represent this with a number line, and we can draw eighths pretty accurately. So I'm going to draw a number line. I'm going to label it from 0 to 1, not 0 to 8. Even though there are 8 apples, these 8 apples represent one whole set of apples. And this one set of apples is what the 4 kids are going to split up. So I want to label my number line from 0 to 1 because I've got one set of apples. Now, within that set of apples are 8 individual apples. So I want to break my number line into 8 equal pieces. Instead of just starting from the left and just drawing numbers, watch what we can do. Try to find about halfway between the two. And I'm going to shift that a little bit because that doesn't look quite like halfway. And so that's why drawing with erasers can be helpful. I think it's going to be better if I'm a little bit over to the left. There we go. So that's going to be about halfway. So I've cut my number line in half. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut each of the halves in half. So now I've got 4 equal parts because I took a half, cut the half in half. So I cut it in 2 parts and then cut each of the 2 parts into 2 parts. Now I've got 4 parts. And hopefully you can figure out what I need to do next. If I cut each of the 4 parts into 2 parts, or cut each half of a half into half, I've basically done 2 times 2 times 2. I'm going to get 8 parts. And so we can go ahead and label these. And each of these tick marks, those represent our numerator. So our denominator is how many pieces we have altogether. And we've already established we've got 8 pieces. And if we want to, we can just see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. I've got 8 pieces. Now each of these tick marks, that is what represents. And so I'm going to put pieces right here to represent our denominator. It's the tick mark. These are those little lines. That's our numerator. So 1 piece ends right there, 2 pieces ends right there, 3, 4, so on. All right, so I've got my number line. I've got 8 pieces. I've got everything labeled. Now we're ready to see. How many kids do we have? We have 4 kids. So I need to break this up into 4 groups. Let's pretend we've got 2 boys and 2 girls. Well, there's a few different ways we can do this. If we want, we can just take each of these and give it to 1 kid, and then we run out. So we start over from the beginning, and look what we get. Each of these kids get 2 pieces. So we can take these big chunks that include 2 pieces each. And look at that. I have divided it into 4 equal pieces. So what does this first kid get? This first kid gets this chunk right here, which is actually 2 apples. So 1 kid, 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, and that's sitting right there at that 2/8. So I would take this 2 and I'd drag it into my numerator, take this 8, drag it into my denominator, and that's my answer.